This is one of my coolest marketing strategies of 2023 that's going to carry on with benefits until 2024 and beyond. So if you guys visit my website, you'll see that I am offering an audio guest book with every booking, whether it's a 360 booth or a standard photo booth. Now, the reason I'm doing this is multiple reasons. First reason is the value perception. So when the prospect goes onto my website or your website and they see that, hey, I get an audio guest book with the booth, this is amazing. I'm not going to call anywhere else. I'm getting all this bundled up at a great value. And so they'll probably then book with you. So that's one way, is value perception. How much they can get done with one click versus calling another vendor or having you invoice them twice for two different items. You kind of get the point of that. However, this is another cool, I would say, progression to this marketing tactic. So what it is during the last 3 months of the year, the last quarter, you'll notice, guys, that you'll get a lot of corporate inquiries. Okay, people want to throw a party for their staff, okay, to boost morale. And also keep in mind that corporations and big businesses usually have a budget throughout the year, and the last quarter they kind of gauge to see how much money is left, and they'll either throw a medium-sized party, a big-sized party. They'll spend money buying gifts for the raffles and prizes and all that great stuff. This all goes into the marketing spending budget that they have. So they'll usually book, well, whatever. It has to be aligned with their budget. So this is what I'm doing. When they book me and the audio guest book is part of that deal, right? The audio guest book is not designed so much for a corporate party. So what I'll do is this, and this is why I think this strategy works so well. So here, this is what I'm going to do. And some of you guys that are business savvy will catch this on pretty quickly. So I messaged my client who has having a corporate party, and this right here, this strategy, I think is pretty dope. So this is how it goes. Hi, and then her name. I hope you're doing great. I wanted to reach out and see if you'd like us to set up the audio guest book for your event. Or if you prefer, we're offering a fantastic $50 credit towards any type of photo booth production that's valid for the entire year of 2024. Your decision will help us make your event even more special. So we're looking forward to hearing from you soon. Best regards, David. So what I'm doing there, guys, is I'm allowing my client to say, yeah, you know what? The audio guest book in this setting wouldn't do so well. So instead, we actually will take you up on the offer and use that $50 credit for our next event or for the year of 2024. Now, what this does, it ensures that they're going to continue doing business with you guys because they want to redeem the $50 credit. So this is another way, guys, to retain those clients, especially corporate clients and bigger clients, with this simple option, with this practical offer. We need to talk about brand, ladies and gentlemen, because a lot of you guys are out there doing the work. You guys have great customer service. You guys are spending a lot of time on improving your production. But for some reason, you guys are not booking those corporate giants. And it goes deep. And I'm going to dive into those details with you because I'm having the amount of success that I've earned because I put in the work, baby. You got to put in the work. So I just wanted to show off this strategy with you. And this is how I'm locking in clients long-term and also incentivizing them to, again, utilize Canary Capital Productions for their next event. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope this video helps. Peace. Don't forget to hit the like button to help a brother out.